Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss about the shape of type of hybridization and with the help of number of orbitals. Now come to the find shape and type of hybridization due to number of orbitals. If n is equal to 2, in that case there will be sp hybridization and the shape is linear. In the case of sp, there is a 2 sp hybridized orbital and it form linear structure. Second, n is equal to 3, in that case sp2 hybridization, 1 s orbital and 2 p orbital combine to form 3 sp, 2 hybridized orbitals. The structure is trigonal planar structure. It is right. If n is equal to 4, in that case sp3 hybridization. It means 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital combine to form 3 sp3 hybridized orbitals. 4 sp3, 1 s and 3 p. The number of orbitals will be 4. The structure is tetrahedral. In the case of 5, n is equal to 5, sp3 d orbital combined 1 s, 3 p and 1 d. There are 5 orbitals, 5 hybridized orbital will form and structure is trigonal bipyramidal structure. Okay, and if n is equal to 6, in that case sp3d d2, 1s, 3p and 2d orbital combine to form 6 1s, 3p, 2d means 6 hybridized orbitals and the structure is octahedral. Right? Now come to in the case of n is equal to 7, in that case sp3d3, 7 sp3 hybridized orbital and the structure is pentagonal structure, pentagonal bipyramidal structure. At this there is a pentagon and up and down bipyramidal structure. Okay, so in this way this is the structure and type of orbitals in the case of when we are given n and